Take a quick look at this 2019 Aprilia TUONO V4 1100cc bike. This one here happens to be the 1100 factory edition. The reason that the change between the difference between the factory and the RR version is the most obvious difference is this, that you can change on the fly your adjustments for your suspension, both front and back. On the back, you'll see here the cables running into the rear suspension there. And you can change that at the touch of a button while you're driving down the road. Now on the RR, it does not have, and you'd have to change these manually, just like on any old school bike, and also manual on the rear. But let's take a quick look at the awesome technology on this bike. You have wheelie control, traction control, launch control. You can actually see here your lean angles if you happen to be at the track. You can see that your degrees, it will connect with an app if you like, and record 4 laps around a track, and you can see your lean angles and speeds going into and out of turns and so on, so you can develop your race as you go. Take a quick start here. Here you can see the sport mode will change from sport to race and then to track, all at the touch of your ignition button. And you can control your ABS brakes as well as your suspension that we were talking about earlier. And I'm sure you can see that is an awesome technology. Please get back to me. It's Paul from Team Extreme Southwest at 346-801-4385. Thank you very much.